After meeting so many artists, I realized P-pop is rising, and at the center of it all, SB19.
Glitz, music, lights, fame.
I used to be all about K-pop, as in EXO, Kai, Lay, Sehun, and D.O. Yun talaga eh. Pero lately, alam nyo, something happened. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. I'm Grace Ferronda, PR and marketing consultant in the music industry. I'm still in awe of the amazing talent na ipapresent ko sa inyo today. Alam nyo, aminin ko, I'm a late bloomer pagdating sa K-pop. Lalo na sa P-pop. Grabe guys, I got to meet not one, not two, but three members of SB19. Na-curious ako, so I started researching at doon ko na-discover kung gaano ka-talented ang SB19. Each member has his own unique style, and they're all passionate about contributing to OPM. The first time I met Philip, aka Ken, was during the We Play Here event by Warner Music Philippines. I was helping with the PR and media promotions. At grabe, seeing him perform live, ibang klase talaga. Then came his Seven Sins concert at Space One Ayala. I also worked on the PR for that event, and that's where we finally got to talk. Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, you're extremely talented. Talagang world-class. Philip's artistry, napaka-deep, experimental, and super powerful. Sabi ko, parang Sleep Token vibes. Yun kasi ang favorite nung youngest daughter ko that time. At syempre, nagka-selfie kami after. Mandatory yun, no? Next up, Stel. We met during the We Play Here campus tour at UP Diliman. Sobrang saya. Ang chill niya, off-cam and on-cam. Pareho. Very approachable talaga siya at nakakatawa sobra. Nahagip pa nga ako sa camera habang nag-i-interview siya. Ayun, napasama tuloy ako sa news. But seriously, Stel's sincerity and humility stood out. I told him I'd been wanting to meet him for the longest time. And finally, nangyari na din. And just when I thought complete na ang fangirl journey ko, biglang na-meet ko finally si Josh Cullen. Oh wow! Ang ganda kasi ng mata niya. It happened at Flo G's birthday bash and album launch, thanks to Asintada PH. We actually had one of the longest conversations that night. I shared my experiences working with Philip and Stel and told him na siya, Justin at Pablo na lang ang nasa SB19 bucket list ko. Then he said towards the end, kayo na pong bahala sa akin ha. Sabi ko, of course! Grabe ang sweet, humble at bait niya. Meeting Philip, Stel, and Josh reminded me why I love my job. Being able to support OPM and witness artists like SB19 rise globally, sobrang fulfilling. Hopefully next time, makilala ko na rin sila Justin and Pablo. At syempre sana, makapag-TikTok na rin kami ng dam, di ba? Sa dam nga yata ako naging panay. Talagang gagawin namin ng challenge together. This has been your Late Bloomer 18, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and follow kasi marami pa tayong P-pop kwentuhan na pagdadaanan. See ya!